G'day guys, here we're going to look at the CT36AC M class. These dust extractors save you time because they're really efficient, easy to get on and off site. Reduced cost because the way they're designed means we get a lot more dust in the bag. Keep you safe because they're an M class rating, so you've got a variety of different dust that you can work with. And also really good flexibility. Because of the auto clean, we can do concrete and plaster and keep that extraction consistent all the way through. The stackable sustainer system allows for quick transport and setup on site and enables you to store tools, accessories and consumables in an organised way. Festool M-Class Auto Clean extractors offer the benefit of being able to work with many types of materials and especially suited for concrete and finer dust applications. The filter cleaning system is automatically activated at regular intervals to maintain suction performance. The auto clean extractors can also be cleaned with the use of a blast gate to ensure the extraction stays consistent. This performance continues right up until the bag is full. With traditional extractor designs, the filters take up a large amount of space. The CTM-AC extractors have a flat filter design which enables the container to fill up to 95% of its capacity. The extractor has a flow sensor that alerts the user if there's any drop in suction. When working with dangerous dust, the AC extractors offer a safe process to dispose of both filter and bag to reduce exposure. This means you're always working safe and staying compliant. Because of the clever design, you maximise the container space to reduce ongoing bag costs. This system also offers versatility for use with the entire Festool range, which enables you to cover many types of jobs. The separator can be connected to the extractor to deal with larger quantities of dust and to increase efficiency. So when working with CTM-AC extractors, you save time, reduce costs and work with greater flexibility.